Hey, good morning. I'm Dr. Deuk Laser. I'm sitting here with my patient who underwent 2 surgeries. She came from Hawaii all the way to Florida because she believed in what the Deuk Spine Institute is doing to help people with back and neck pain. She underwent the Deuk Laser Disc Repair, our version of laser spine surgery for her lower back. She had 2 discs that were painful. Do you still have that back pain?
Not at all. Not at all. Gone.
Are you happy about that?
I'm so happy.
After her back was fixed, 2 days later, she had a posterior cervical laminectomy infusion because she had a huge herniation in her neck, herniated discs that were pinching her spinal cord, making her go paralyzed. She had the posterior cervical laminectomy infusion. We took out the lamina, opened the foraminotomy, put in screws and rods, corrected her neck deformity, stabilized her spine. She went home the same day, and here she is today about a week later. How do you feel?
I feel amazing. I didn't think anybody could heal within a week of this type of surgery. So it's beyond what I was expecting.
And did you stay in the hospital?
No.
That's right. We did it outpatient. She went home. 2 hours after her surgery.
And I took the day off, and within 3 days, I was up, walking around. My hands, I have feeling in my hands again. I'm walking, I have more balance. 100% back to me after 3 years of not being able to do anything.
Why did you choose to come to Deuk Spine Institute?
I did a lot of diligence. I researched this because I didn't know what to do. I just did as much investigating as I could, and I wanted the non-invasive laser repair, 95% success rate. You've met all my expectations and beyond. I've been treated like family. Everybody here cares about me. I feel very comfortable with my decision.
Now, we met for the first time on a virtual consultation. We did a Zoom call. How did the Zoom call go for you?
Excellent. We established introducing each other, and you went through my MRIs, pointing everything out, what you thought I needed to get done, how you approach it, and explained everything to me so that I knew exactly what to expect.
What do you want to say to your fans out there?
Anybody is going through any kind of spinal challenges, I couldn't believe how easy this went. It was smooth. It was right up to expectations, what to do, how to do it. I'm going to recommend this to everyone I know that has anything wrong with their back.
Well, listen, you enjoy the rest of your life, and maybe I'll see you if I visit you in the Big Island.
Thank you.
You take care. Safe travels.